Air is matter. Air is matter. It occupies space and has its mass. It takes all the available space. For example, when you fill air or gas in a balloon, in a football, and in the tube of the tires of your bicycle. You must have seen this. Activity. To show that an empty glass tumbler is filled with air. Take a transparent bowl and fill it with water. Take an empty glass tumbler and push its open mouth into the bowl filled with water. Does the water enter the glass tumbler? You will notice that water does not enter the glass tumbler. Now, tilt the glass tumbler. Does the water enter the glass tumbler now? You will notice that bubbles of air come out and water gets filled up in the glass tumbler. Actually, the glass tumbler was not empty. It was filled with air, even when it was turned upside down. That is why, when you push the glass tumbler in an inverted position, no air could escape and no water could enter the glass tumbler. On tilting the glass tumbler, the air came out in the form of bubbles, and water could enter the glass tumbler. Water filled up the space that was earlier occupied by air. Thus, an empty tumbler is full of air. Since it is transparent, we cannot see it.